How to launch your passive income product to create high converting funnels. Launching a passive income product can be easy. You create a digital product, write a sales page, drive traffic to it, and let the money roll in. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. To see more videos like that, subscribe to this channel and click on that bell to get notified of new video we posted, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment. This is what it looks like in theory, but the truth is, it is easy when you know what works. You need to have the right formula to make it quick and easy. You can spend months trying and testing sales pages and funnels, but the secret is in the formula. Taking these elements into the testing stage takes a long time and can take months to find out what will work for you, unless someone who has done it before can show you the way. We have spent many years refining a formula that will help you achieve exactly that. We called it the Online Marketing Mastery Formula. It's a system that has helped many of our clients understand where they are today and start monetizing as fast as possible. It supports your planning and helps you take focused action, the next best action based on where you are right now. Our formula pushes the needle on those things where it can happen for you at the stage you are. This happens across the 10 pillars of the online marketing, which are outlined in our Online Marketing Mastery Blueprint. For example, if you already have a website, but it doesn't have all the tools you need to generate leads, that may be the next step within our formula roadmap for you. It may be your messaging or potential email. Our Online Marketing Mastery Formula comes with a blueprint that helps you see where you are now and understand where you need to go next. Our client success can be easily replicated when you have access to the formula that has already worked for many businesses in many industries. Many people have the above elements in place, but lack of experience means they have to go through a lot of trial and error. Would you like to learn more on how you can apply our Online Marketing Mastery Formula to your business? Then contact us for a free consultation. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how to use a course to grow your passive cash flow and your client list. You can find the link here. If you are new to this page, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. To see more videos like that, like and follow our page so you'll get notified of new videos we posted. Or at least give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment.